I just finished styling my hair with this Not Doctor blow dryer brush combo, so I thought I would just hop on here and just give you a quick review and show you how it works. I did not put any product in my hair beforehand, so I normally put a little hair oil or cream or something in, so I do have some little bitty flyaways, but I feel like my hair came out nice and smooth in under 10 minutes using this, and it was super simple. When you get it, it just comes in 2 pieces, and the brush just clicks on top, and then to take it off, you just squeeze the pins at either side, it pops off. So super easy to use. And then it's got multiple settings here. You can see the off button, and then you can go cool, low, and high. I would recommend high. At least that's what works for me. You know your hair type best, but I put it on high if you're trying to do a blowout. Just do whatever setting you would do your blow dryer on. And this replaces the need to have a blow dryer and a round brush. I just went through my hair, going underneath, primarily to help give it a little bit of lift. I have a very fine, very thin hair, so this is very normal for me for a blowout. But I do like how smooth and shiny it came out. My hair feels really super soft, and like I said, it only took about 10 minutes to do. Just like a lot of other dryers, it does have the cool blast, which you can use at the end to get a smoother finish. So I'm really happy with how my hair turned out. I think it's nice and smooth and shiny and nice and soft, and this is super easy, super simple, because you don't have to do the round brush and the blow dryer. If you just want one tool that you can style your hair with in less than 10 minutes, which is important to me as a busy mom, definitely recommend this. I did it mostly underneath. You can do some over to kind of, if your hair is really wet and you've got to rough dry it a little bit, and kind of go this way. And then I mostly did underneath like this, and then down at the ends you can give it a little wave if you want to, or kind of shape it at the bottom there. So I would definitely check this out. Like I said, super simple tool, and super easy for getting your hair done in less than 10 minutes.